It's indeed a matter of great pleasure that the Chief Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Shri S.V. Ranganath, is amidst us. I would now request Shri Ranganath to address all of us. Please welcome Swagatise Shri S.V. Ranganath.
Dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity of participating in this wonderful function. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate Mr. Ramesh Ramanathan and his team of very dedicated colleagues who have made what appeared to be a project on the drawing board a reality. See, this is something which we need to do across the length and breadth of this country. One of the crying needs of today is to step up the housing program across the length and breadth of the country, probably 100-fold. And I think this is a huge step in this direction, and this thing cannot only be done by government. It has to be done by both the government and private sector, and each must complement the efforts. I'd like to say one more thing, which the Honorable Housing Minister said. You know, it is really remarkable that projects such as this, people like Mr. Ramesh Ramanathan, out of a pure sense of service, have taken up this project, giving a 4-square house for 5 lakh of rupees with all the problems involved is an outstanding achievement in today's day and age. But I think what we really need to do is to ensure private sector participation in affordable housing in a much bigger way. Private sector participation, in fact, I think they will attend to most of the issues, but where government needs to step in is to see that government permission from government agencies are given on time. They don't have to run from pillar to post. It's a single window agency. The Honorable Housing Minister, Mr. Somana, has already, mentioned and assured the commitment of the Government of Karnataka. He has also offered, we'll give you land free in other parts of the state. It should not be a Bangalore-centric project. I hope that pioneers like Mr. Ramesh Ramanathan and his distinguished colleagues, partners in this project, would take up this opportunity and inspire other like-minded service people to take up these projects throughout the country. And I'm sure in this, there would be unstinted support, but from both the central government as well as the state government.
I feel particularly happy today coming here, being part of this program, this ceremony, where we, for once, the government has taken a side role. It is very kind of Ramesh Ramanathan ji to give us this role. Actually, I don't think we deserve it. All that has been done here, all that has been achieved is because of Shri Ramesh Ramanathan ji and his colleague. All of them, the whole Janadhar Parivar, Janadhar family. So basically the achievement is yours. We have just come to share the limelight.
Acharanaya Samaya, Barli Joragi Kartadana. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a very important day for all of us. Karnatakada Itihasadalli. ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತವೇ ತಿರುಗು ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಸರೋಜಾ ಆನಂದ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಕನಸು ನನಸಾದ ದಿನ. ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂದಹಾಸ. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.